Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Trade Ideas Holly AI. So, Holly AI is a powered trading engine created by Trade Ideas. So, every night, Holly runs millions of simulations using past market data, patterns, and strategies. So, by the next trading day, Holly provides a list of high probability trade ideas, including the entry price, stop loss, time held, and exit signals. So Holly basically does the technical homework, so you don't have to. So here are the types of Holly bots. So there are 3 Holly bots that run different strategies. First is the Holly Grail. So this is a conservative trades with tight risk management. They also have the Holly 2.0, so more aggressive setups with a bigger reward potential. And lastly is their Holly Neo. So this one is real-time, momentum-based trades with fast entries. So you can choose to follow one or combine them depending on your trading style. So here's how you can use the Holly inside the Trade Ideas. So first, you just have to log into the Trade Ideas Pro platform. So this is for only Windows. And then open the Holly AI window. So you will see real-time trade, calls, and statistics. So you can filter trades by strategy, sector, or time of day. Then you just have to click on any signal to see full details. So they have charts, strategy notes, and entry or exit logic. So you can mirror Holly's trades manually or integrate with supported brokers like E-Trade or Interactive Brokers for auto trading. So each trade Holly makes is tracked live, so you will see entry and exit times, the risk to reward ratios, and whether Holly exited early, on time, or based on stop loss. So this will help you build confidence in the strategy and even improve your own trading decisions. So they also have the pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. So first is it is back tested, so data-driven trade signals, and it also runs 35 plus strategies nightly, and it has real-time trade alerts with built-in risk management. There's no emotional trading, so pure logic, and the broker integration available for automation. Now for the cons, so since it has downsides that we can consider too. So Trade Ideas is expensive, so Holly AI requires the premium plan. So it usually ranges from $228 per month or $2,268 per year, every year. And Windows only software, so this is full functionality, only works on PC, and it also has steep learning curve, so beginners may feel overwhelmed at first. And lastly is it is not 100% autopilot, so you still need to manage trade size, position, and psychology. So the summary is, who is Holly for? So Holly AI is best for active day traders, momentum or breakout traders, and also traders who want high quality trade setups delivered daily, and anyone looking to speed up research with AI help. So it may not be ideal for people with long-term investors, traders looking for mobile tools or Mac compatibility, and for beginners with no technical knowledge. So, is Holly AI worth it in 2025? Yes, if you are serious about day trading and want AI-powered tools to boost your edge. So Holly saves your time, removes emotion, and gives you a structured way to trade smarter. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!